Still sounds pretty full.
Day 2. Okay.
All right.
So we are on day 2 of our wine our wine advent calendar. So this
2 of 24.
Yeah, this is December 2nd. So if you're following along here, we're about to open day number 2. Ready? Any expectations? Any thoughts?
The first one was a red wine,
Mm-hmm.
so I think today is probably gonna be a white wine, but I really don't know.
You think they're alternating?
I don't, but I have a feeling it's gonna be a white wine.
Okay.
I don't think they're gonna be red, white, but I do think today's a white.
I think today's a white.
Yeah.
Do you think so? The first bottle that we had was actually had a cork in it. Do you think today's is going to have a cork or no cork?
I think it'll have a cork.
Yeah.
I think they're all gonna have a cork.
Really?
Yeah, I was surprised.
All 24 bottles will have a cork.
Yeah, I thought they would all.
You heard it here. That's her prediction.
How about you? You think it's twisted?
No, I think some of them will be twist, but I don't know. Maybe I'd be pleasantly surprised if they're all corked.
I was surprised by the first one. I thought it was gonna be a.
We have a wine key just in case, but sometimes it'd be nice to have a screw top. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, we're gonna get this open here.
All right. Okay. Day 2.
Where's it at?
Oh,
there it is.
Wait, let me find it. Here.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, it's red again.
It's a white.
Oh, it's white.
All right.
And it can't be
White sangria.
Interesting.
All right.
Okay.
Bring me the wine glasses.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I'm gonna stand up and do that this time, I think, because last time was
How
kind
about
of
I
hard.
open it this time?
Okay.
I was struggling the last time.
Yeah, all right.
So
We have a white sangria.
I was.
El Campeón, white sangria produced in France, which is interesting that it would be in France.
That's weird.
I
Never
figured
had a
like
white sangria from France.
like a Spanish. I thought it would be Spanish, but this white sangria is character. Oh, I'm not reading this yet. Okay,
Yeah,
she's
come
gonna
on.
open it. No,
Open
we'll,
it.
no, we'll read it later. Stop.
Okay.
We're gonna try it first, and then we'll. So the thing that I'm pretty confident that I'm not gonna like is
The sweetness level.
trying white wines warm or room temp. Not warm because it is not warm in here, but trying the white wines at room temperature, I think is going to not be my favorite part of this journey. But
Agreed. Unless we kind of open them and then pop them in the fridge for a little bit, just so we can get like.
well, that kind of like
Kind of
ruins the suspense of what we have going. So we'll see how this goes. If we feel like we need to change it, then maybe we can change it. But sitting down, it's hard.
No, it's just the cork was really
It's
tight.
another baby cork.
Yep. So I was right again.
Corked again. Corked
Cork.
and white.
And it's a white. And it's a sangria. So I.
What's the
Interesting.
smell?
It smells interesting.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, I don't really know.
I know. It's
All I
like.
smell is cork, so okay, well there's that.
All right.
Thank you. Okay.
Put a little in here and maybe we can show the rest.
That sounds like a plan.
Is it effervescent or am I just seeing things?
There's like little baby bubbles in there. It's not effervescence like it's bubbling, but you could see maybe like
It's definitely effervescent, kind of.
I don't see it coming off the bottom though.
Mm.
Maybe if it was cold, it would be.
What does that smell?
What am I smelling? Can you think of it?
I smell like mint or like eucalyptus.
Yeah, there's
Like-
some kind of like herbal
Yeah, but minty kind of floral.
spearmint. Spearmint?
It smells. It's not like anything I've ever smelled in a white before.
Huh? But it's
We also don't drink sangria, white or red.
but like
Um,
the only sangria I know is like when you mix something with a white. So like this is a mixed.
okay, well, let's read it.
No,
So-
let's try it first.
Oh.
I wanna try it to see what's on the palate, and then we can
Oh.
read it. So cheers. To
It
drink
has a funky smell to it.
to drinking white wine
Warm.
room temperature.
Sweet.
Yeah, very sweet.
Sweeter. Sweeter than we're used to, but not as sweet as a Moscato. I don't taste the mint or herbalness.
Yeah, there's no mintiness like to taste, but just very sweet. It's like overly floweringly sweet to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we're not used to drinking sweet wines. If you tuned into the first episode, we got an Italian wine as our first wine, and we were like, this is perfect because we usually love Italian wine. Even when we're drinking white wine, we tend to go for Italian, Pinot Grigio, sometimes French wines and Sancerre. So definitely not like anything I've ever had before.
I wonder if it was cold, if it would change the flavor too, because like we're drinking this warm. I don't have like it's pear. Pear juice is what this.
It's very approachable for someone who doesn't like a dry wine.
Yeah, it's not
I would
dry
say
at all.
this is semi-sweet. Like I said, I don't think it's as sweet as a Moscato.
Well, maybe because the bubbles were. Maybe it is supposed to be effervescent. It's just not cold, so like it kills some of that.
It's possible.
Okay, so the white sangria. This white sangria is characterized by vibrant citrus fruit and white peach notes. Oh, it almost tastes like. Okay, so I said pear because it's I don't know fruit I guess, but it kind of has that peachy like flavor profile to it. If you were to drink like a peach, like a puree or something like that, that's what it kind of reminds me. I don't know why I said pear, but that's probably what I was thinking. It offers a sweet, fresh profile with a smooth, supple texture and a round, well-balanced finish, making it a refreshing and enjoyable drink.
I can see someone really enjoying this that doesn't enjoy really dry wine. Off dry or semi-sweet wines, if that's in your category, I feel like you'd really enjoy this. I also think this cold would be very refreshing.
We're gonna chill the rest. We have like a half of this half bottle left. We're gonna chill the rest, and we will actually update you tomorrow on day 3 what we thought about this wine cold, or maybe we can do like a little bit of a sneak peek with that. That
So
we can
is
add
it a
in.
blend then?
It doesn't have any information on what it is. Doesn't list the grape varietal. Doesn't say
It's
anything.
only 7% alcohol, so it's pretty low alcohol.
I don't
Do you want me to look up the one? I do have the QR code on here. We can look it up on the website. I'll bring you to the link.
Yeah. I still smell. It's still minty smelling
That's
to
a
me.
very
It's like-
It smells like eucalyptus to me. It's the best way I can.
I still taste like pear, but I understand. It's like a nectar. That's what it reminds me of. But maybe just because it's warm, because it's sweet and warm.
Okay.
I'm gonna put
see.
this in the fridge.
About El Campeón.
At Campeón.
Oh,
What?
this Spanish white sangria says France.
Produced in France. So, but it has no. It doesn't say anything about Spain or Spanish. All
This
it has
gives
on.
me sweet tart vibes. The
Maybe.
finish on
Maybe.
it. Okay.
But it says so on the bottle. It says produced in France on both sides. Nothing about. Nothing about Spain or Spanish anything. Imported by Flying Blue Imports, Fort Myers, Florida. Interesting. Peterbach, France is where it was bottled. This is
That's
French.
interesting.
Okay.
Okay, so on the Advent calendar website, it says the Spanish white sangria showcases vibrant citrus aromas and delicate hints of white peach.
White peach. I'm not
Delightful, great choice for any occasion. White sangria, known as Sangria Blanca in Spain, has evolved over the years and has a refreshing variation of its red counterpart. While traditional red sangria has been a staple in Spanish culture for centuries, white sangria gained popularity in the mid-20th century, initially embraced during hot summer months for its lighter and zestier profile. It's interesting it's talking about Spain when it's...
There's nothing to do with Spain.
Okay.
Even the cork, let's
Maybe
see.
the grapes are from Spain,
Probably.
and then it could be bottled in France.
Yeah. Well, no, usually it would say like grapes sourced from Spain, something sourced from Spain, bottled here, but it doesn't hint at any of that. Everything just says France on all over it.
Right.
It's pretty cool though.
White sangria usually pairs beautifully with a variety of foods: seafood, light salads, cheese and charcuterie, which I could see being really good.
Yeah.
With some jams and like salty cheeses. Tapas style food, grilled chicken or fish.
I was gonna say this would be like a really nice summer.
Yeah, definitely a nice summer wine. Cold, it's crisp.
We're gonna put it in the fridge.
It's nice.
We're gonna try the rest of it on like cold, and we'll let you know tomorrow what we think about it.
Okay, well we have to do a rating on how we're tasting this wine at room temperature.
Okay, so
let's do like a 3, 2, 1, and we both say our rating.
okay,
Okay.
all right. So you
3, 2, 1.
5
6.
and a half.
Okay. I was gonna drop down to a 5, but I think that just because it doesn't match our flavor profile of what we typically like, which is a dry white wine, doesn't mean that other people wouldn't like it. If it had I've tasted some really weird wines. Like when we go to wine tastings, I feel like we've had some weird Chardonnays that were like, this is horrible.
Right.
Like just horrible. And this doesn't do that to me. This isn't like off-putting to me.
Yeah.
It is sweeter than we typically like, but doesn't mean that I think someone else wouldn't enjoy it. I think it's good.
I think that's a good way to look at it. For me, I did 5.5 only because like this is way outside like any type of wine that I would drink. I don't care for like overly sweet. With that being said though, I don't find it to be a bad wine if you lean towards that sweeter wine profile. So
Okay.
thanks for watching day 2.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. I really don't mind it as much as I think you mind it.
Yeah, well, it's just not my thing. But let us know in the comments what you think tomorrow's wine's going to be. Is it going to be white? Is it going to be red? Is it going to be corked or not corked in a bad way, but does it have a cork or does it have a screw top? Let us know below, and we will see you tomorrow for day 3. Cheers.
Cheers.